We just hit 5,000 subscribers. What's up, guys? We just hit 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and following along on this journey. 5,000 is a major milestone for us, and hopefully it's the first of many. But today I want to do something a little bit different. We're not going to talk about the Buick or anything going on in the shop. Today, I want to ask you guys to share the same love that you've shown me with 5 other YouTubers that I personally follow and I think you might not have heard of. The first channel I think you guys need to check out is actually a buddy of mine here in Vegas, and his channel is My Taxi 1320. Now, he has a couple really cool cars. He has a turbo 0304 Cobra, he has a 2nd gen CTSV, and right now he's covering the build on his Whipple Coyote Fox body. He also has some great content from local street racing all around the Southwest. Do yourselves a favor, check his channel out. I think you're gonna like it. Next up, I'm gonna give you 2 separate channels here. The first one is Horsepower versus Your Wallet. The other one is Skinny Pedal Motorsports. These are really similar channels. Both of these guys have Buicks, they have LS swaps, they have turbos, and they both have covered the build of these cars from start to finish. A lot of cool content there. Check those guys out. The next channel I want to talk about, you've probably heard of if you've done anything with Holley EFI, and that is Devin Vanderhoof. He has a ton of technical information when it comes to Holley, when it comes to wiring, when it comes to plumbing, EFI, trash control. His channel is huge on information. There are hours upon hours upon hours of content there. If you are building a car or racing a car, check that channel out. I promise you it will help you. Another channel I think you guys desperately need to check out is called Loud and Proud. And this channel I think does not get enough love. I think he only has a couple hundred subscribers, but it's a freaking awesome build. It's an OBS Chevy truck, custom frame, custom suspension. The guy's fabricated everything himself. It has a turbo, and I'm not sure if it's single or twin, but a turbo Generation 5 5.3 with a DCT transmission out of an E90 M3. It's one of my favorites on the list. Check them out. There's a ton of great stuff there. And the last channel I want to talk about, you guys have at least heard the name on this channel before, is Motion Raceworks. A lot of you guys know Motion Raceworks for the parts that they sell. What you may not know is that Doug, his brother Andy, and the entire team there have built a handful of cars. And they cover not only racing these cars, but they cover a lot of tech tips as well on their YouTube channel. They cover anything from things to keep you safe, things to make your job easier, how products work. There is a huge amount of tech info. Whether you're building a car or running a racing program, their YouTube channel has a ton of information to make your life easier and safer. So there you have it, guys. Not 5, but 6 channels that I think you will really love. I subscribe to all these channels myself. I've followed these channels for years and years, and I think it would be awesome if you guys showed them the same love you showed me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following along on this journey. We are not done yet. We have a whole lot more to go, and we are just getting started. That's it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next video.